What's up, monster fishers? Today I'm out on the kayak, but I banked up because I found the Steve King.
What's up, though? What's up, though?
We out here
Getting it?
getting it. Steven caught a crappie, I caught a little bass. I'm seeing him smash on top water. I was gonna come out here and Texas rig the fall downs, but they are everywhere on top, so I'm gonna throw on a frog and see what we can make happen. I missed you guys. Let's make a video. Bass. This is really awkward with a really long rod. Well, the first little bass of the day. Not bad, but they get bigger. Okay, we'll see you later.
Bunch of moss on your line.
Nice. Oh! First topwater smash of the season. You got a catfish? Nice pike. Nice pike. Ooh. Nice. Yee. I need pliers. Ugh. Perfect. Nice fish. You wanna take a picture of me?
Mine?
Whoa! No! Get! Jesus! You'll be alright. You're hurting yourself, little buddy. Knock yourself out. Perfecto. Slimy. I was trying to catch B's pole. I don't know if I ever will, though. He hooked into a pike out here the other day and lost his rod. Then I lost my phone. Dropped it in the water over there. This dude just smoked this as I was pulling it in to recast. Good old black and blue Christy craw, maybe? I don't know. Give me someone bigger. I need one of those about way heavier. I don't know how heavy, but heavier. It's been pretty rough out lately. Between just general life events and Tammet swings, and I'm sure a part of that has to do with me not knowing what I'm doing fishing and trying to release a little bit better quality content so I don't have Frankenstein videos, which I'm sure you'll see a few more of those because just truthfully I miss doing this. So I mean, I never stopped fishing, I just kind of stopped catching. So we'll see what we can do about that. Let's stay away from the trees. I'm deathly afraid of spiders. Steven's over there catching some catfish and some bluegill and stuff. Oh, my line's all tangled up. I got the wind at my back, so it's a little hard to T-rig right now. I got a couple of bites in topwater, but nothing crazy, and it fell off. Steven's got a fish. What is it there, bud? What is it?
Dogfish?
He's got a bowfin. He said, come here, and I was confused. Oh, nice fish. Got him. There's a nice bass, finally. Oh. Jeez, it's been a rough couple of weeks. But there's a nice, like, I don't know, I'd say 2-pounder. Do you want to weigh him? Let's weigh him. Let's see what he actually weighs. Power 0. 2 pounds on the nose. Yep. That helps. Definitely helps. Glad I could catch this dude today. I'll take the first picture on my new phone. And we're gonna let him go. He swam away gracefully. Look at that. Right through there. Epic. Is it 1 or 2? It's just 1. Alrighty. No. Hoo. That almost hurt real bad. Let's just take care of that line right now. Perfect. Good enough.
Alright, so
The last time that this happened to me, I passed out real bad. I'm gonna have to poke that through a little ways. Hopefully I don't pass out. If I do, I'll be laying in the grass. I need my pliers. Make sure I'm not gonna drop anything off of here or lose my kayak. Oh, my pliers are laying over there on the ground. I do got a spare, but they're shitty. I've kind of always wanted to see what happens when I pass out, so here's why we're filming. Well, so it seems that Steven has left, and I cannot see my pliers on the ground over here, so we're gonna have to drag the kayak back, throw it in my truck, drive to my dad's house, find side cutters, try not to pass out. Stay tuned. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a pair of needle nose pliers and some side cutters. You may not need the pliers. I may not need the pliers. That's in there, bud. It's kind of like re-piercing your tongue if you've ever done that. My tongue piercing didn't have a barb on it though. We're just gonna cut off all these hooks, I think. Uh-oh. I think that just went in my shoe. Ow. Gotta try and get a hold of this hook tip. It's a stretchy piece of skin right there. Don't try this at home, kids.
you're really gonna make me do this?
Maybe not. I'm gonna make you sit here and watch me though.
No!
Yes.
No!
I'll put you on YouTube.
No!
Yes.
I don't want that either.
Kim Doctor. Well, folks, I got it out. Here it is. But I kind of stopped filming that because I really had to get in there with the razor blade. But I pulled it out. If you're new here, this doesn't happen often. Also, hit that notification bell when you hit subscribe. You will be the first to know when my new videos are out, when I decide to post them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me cut myself all to pieces because of that sweet Meps. And I hope you guys have a good one. As always, tight lines.